What is meant by PPC? PPC or Production Planning and Control can be defined as the process of planning or deciding on the resources of the firm for its future manufacturing operations and of allocating, time scheduling and controlling these resources to produce the desired products on time at the least total cost. PPC essentially consists of planning production activities before the actual start of production and exercising control activities to ensure that the planned production is realized in terms of quantity, quality, delivery and cost. There are different categories of production system: intermittent system, continuous system. In intermittent, project type, jobbing type, batch type. In continuous system, mass type, process type. Let us learn about intermittent type of production. In the intermittent production type, goods are produced based on customers' orders. Here the flow of production is irregular in nature. There are three categories: project type, jobbing type and batch type. In the project type of production, company accepts a single complex order or contract and order must be completed within a specified period of time at an estimated cost. Example: complete manufacturing of assembly job or one full product, etc. In the jobbing type of production, company accepts a contract to produce either one or few units of product as per specifications given by the customer. The product is produced at a fixed cost within a given period of time. Example: manufacturer of special machine tools, designing and implementing an advertising campaign, etc. In batch production type, production schedule is decided according to specific orders and production of items takes place in lots or batches. Example: manufacturing of medicines, medium and heavy machineries, etc. Now, in continuous production system, goods are produced constantly as per demand forecast. Goods are produced on a large scale for stocking and selling activities. There are two categories: mass type, process type. Mass production is the production of large amounts of standardized products. Here, company produces different types of products on a large scale and stock them in warehouses until they are demanded in the market. Example: production of toothpaste, soaps, pens, etc. Process production type. Here, single product is produced and stocked in warehouses until it demands in the market. The full production system is designed to produce only one specific type of item. Example: production of steel, cement, paper, sugar, etc.